Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 4 to the power of 2n minus 4 to the power of n is equal to 2, and we will solve this problem for the real value of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can use the nice exponential law, and you know about this exponential law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So here I can apply this nice exponential law in the first term or in the left hand side, so that after applying this one we get 4 to the power of n and its whole power 2, because here you have exponent to the exponent, so these exponents are multiplied by each other and you get 4 to the power of 2n minus 4 to the power of n is equals to 2. After this step I can convert this exponential equation into the polynomial form, so that I can take here y is equal to 4 to the power of n, so that we get y square minus y is equals to 2. And now we move this 2 in the left hand side and we get y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And now we make the factors of this quadratic equation. So here we need any two numbers whose product is minus 2 and whose sum is minus 1. So these two numbers are minus 2 and plus 1, because when you add minus 2 and plus 1 you get minus 1, and when you subtract when you multiply minus 2 by 1 you get minus 2. And now I can just write y here, and this is the minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the our factors. And now we take common y on first two terms and you get y times of y minus 2. Similarly we take common plus 1 on the other terms and you get y minus 2 is equal to 0. After this step you can see here y minus 2 will be common term in the left hand side, so that we will take common y minus 2 and we get y minus 2 times of y plus 1 is equal to 0. After that we have two cases here. So the first case is we take y minus 2 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take y plus 1 is equal to 0. So in the first case you get the value of y is 2, because here we move minus 2 in the right hand side and you get plus 2. Similarly in the second case you get the value of y is minus 1. So in the start of the question we take y is equal to 4 to the power of n, so we will back substitute the value of y. I can write here y is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. So when we back substitute the value of y, you can get here 4 to the power of n is equals to 2 and 4 to the power of n is equals to 4 to the power of n is equals to minus 1. So this is the minus 1. And now we solve these two cases. So first I can solve this one, and here you see that you have 4 to the power of n and we write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2 and its whole power. N is equal to 2, and here you can apply the nice exponential law and you multiply these two exponents and you get 2 to the power of 2n is equal to 2. And here you focus both of the sides and you see that the bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equal and you get 2n is equals to 1, and finally we get the value of n is 1 over 2. So this is the first root of this equation. And now we solve the second case, and here you have second case 4n is equal to minus 1. And one thing you remember about the exponential function is that it is always positive. Exponential function always gives the positive answer, and in the right hand side you have negative value. So it cannot be possible an exponential function is equal to negative value, so that we will rejected this case. And we have only one solution, which is n is equals to 1 over 2. Now we check our answer. Is n is equal to 1 over 2 satisfies the given question or not? So here we have the given question statement, which is 4 to the power of 2n minus 4 to the power of n is equal to 2. So here I can just put n is equal to 1 over 2 here, and you see that we get 4 to the power of 2 times of 1 over 2 minus, here you have 4 and we will write it as 2 to the power of 2, and here you have n, and n is equal to 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 2. And now you see that these 2 are gone, and similarly these 2 are gone, and here you get only 4 minus 2 is equals to 2, and finally you get 2 is equal to 2. So this shows that if 2 is equal to 2 means that n is equals to 1 over 2 be the n is equals to 1 over 2 be the only solution of the given nice equation. So this is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.